I'm back with another video, and in today's video I'm going to teach you how to recover Pinterest account. For that, first of all, open up your Pinterest app on your phone. After you open up your app, there you can see the option of login. Tap on it. There you can see the option of forgot your password. Tap on it. To find your Pinterest account, you'll need to enter your email, name or your username. And when you are done, tap on send a password reset email. Pinterest have sent you a password reset email. Open up your mail. After you open up your mail, there you'll see the option of reset password. Tap on it. You'll now need to set a new password. And when you're done, tap on change password. A pop-up message will appear on your screen. Tap on save password if you like to save the password on your iCloud keychain. If not, tap on don't allow. This way you can easily recover your Pinterest account. Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more tutorial videos, hit the subscribe button. And if you have something to say, please leave a comment.